Hey guys, welcome back to Pro Gun. If you haven't already done so, please hit the subscribe button. We'd greatly appreciate that. One of my viewers asked me if I can create a video on how to disassemble and field strip a Glock so she can clean it. So that's what we're going to do today. So if anyone else out there is a new Glock owner and hasn't taken your gun apart yet and needs to clean it and is wondering how you disassemble and field strip it for cleaning, this video is for you. Before you start, the first thing you need to do is remove the magazine and make sure there is no ammo, and point it in a safe direction and pull the trigger. The great thing about a Glock when it comes to disassembly is it doesn't matter which model Glock you have. Every single model Glock field strips exactly the same way. So you only need to learn how to do it once, and you can apply this to any Glock there is. So we'll get a better camera angle and we'll get started. Okay, so let's get started, and we're going to disassemble and field strip the Glock, and then we'll put it back together. Before we start, just so you note, on both sides of the Glock, right here, there is a small slide lever, and that is what is used to remove the slide. The first thing we're going to do is make sure the firearm is safe. So we're going to press the magazine release, take out the magazine, which was loaded, and now we'll pull the slide back a few times, and we'll inspect it to make sure that there is not a round in the chamber, point it in a safe direction, and pull the trigger. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to take this part of the palm, and we're going to put it right under the beaver tail, wrap these fingers over, and we're going to pull it back just about 1/4 of an inch. As we do that, we're going to pull down on these levers, let the slide go, and once you do that, it comes right off. Okay? After we do that, we remove the ejector spring. We push in and lift up. That comes out. We slightly lift the barrel and pull the barrel out. Okay, and then when you clean it, you're going to want to clean all this area here, and you're probably going to want to put a little bit of oil inside these rails here. And then on the frame, you're also going to want to use a nylon brush and clean as much crud as you could off of here. And right on the top of the slide rails, you may want to put a little oil on it. Now we're going to put it back together. We take the slide. We take the barrel, and on the barrel you can see right down in here there's a half moon, and that little half moon is where the end of the ejector spring is going to go. So we'll take our slide, we'll drop the barrel in, okay. Put in the spring with the plastic end facing outwards of the barrel, and we press in and push down, okay, just to make sure that the spring is all the way down. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to slide it onto the frame right here on each side. It's a slide, and you have the rails right there. What we'll do, we're going to take this, slide it onto the frame, pull it back 2 or 3 times, visually inspect it, point it in a safe direction, pull the trigger, and there you go. It's all done. It's that simple. I hope this was useful. Thanks for watching.